Hi guys, I wanted to show you the all year round lettuce, which I have really just cut, and they are starting to come back for me and starting to fill out for me as well. You can see that's where I kind of cut it. This is the French version. They still need to come back. I cut these last. Some of it might not come back because we had an extremely hot day today. Now, I do want to get up here and read to you how they reviewed it, how they describe it. And I want you to see this beautiful, beautiful head of lettuce up here with these gorgeous purple pansies. Okay, that one right there. This is the all year round next to this beautiful French one. Now, the all year round is right here. I got it from Pinetree. And what it says is very popular in England and Australia. Hi Mark from Self-Sufficient Me. Love you, love your videos. As the name implies, it can be sown at any time, spring to fall, and will be slow to bolt. The crisp, tight hearts are an appealing light green with the centers appearing a bit blanched. $2, 500 seeds. I tasted this after a couple of hot days. It's not bitter. It's not bitter. So I'm pleased about that. I don't even know if I want to cut these two heads or not. They are so gorgeous in this pot. Along with these pansies, this little blue jay, and I've got some peppers that are going to come up here, and it's going to fill it out with some wonderful vibrant color. Now I want to go up here and show you the all year round that is still growing, because I mean, look, I have plenty. You guys, I can't eat all of this salad. Me and my mother. You can see this one's a little bit curly here. I don't know what's up with that. But look at all of that. And I've cut them and they've come back. Just like this one here I've cut. It's come back. This is the loose leaf pine tree mix, which is now bitter because it got hot. Also, this little baby oak leaf mix got bitter because it got hot. Not pine tree's problem or fault, that's just what these varieties do. What's wrong, baby girl? I've got a little bit of spinach here, and this has started to bolt a little bit. I'm not really enjoying the spinach that much, guys, but I'm trying. This is the one that I sort of separated out a little bit more, and over here I actually spaced them according to the directions on the back of the pouch. So I'll see how that goes. Anyway, loving that all year round loose leaf. Well, I think it's a loose head. A loose leaf head, I guess. I don't know. Whatever I read to you previously. Loving it. I can't wait to grow some more in the fall. I have plenty. They gave me 500 seeds, so it's all good. Hopefully these here will do as advertised as well and not turn bitter. If not, I can replace them with this all year round lettuce. That's why I had chose right now to really just concentrate on this beautiful French lettuce so I wouldn't miss really a window of abundance with this lettuce here. Okay, love you. Have a great day. Please subscribe.